Hello! In this video, we will demonstrate some of the new search functionalities of the new JBJS.org website. The new website offers a single entry point for accessing all JBJS content, including our 6 journal titles. This video covers the experience on a mobile device. To access full text across the portfolio of JBJS products, a subscription to JBJS Complete is required. An active subscription to the journal will deliver full text only for that title. First, navigate to the JBJS.org website using any browser. For this demonstration, we intend to use Chrome. Select the magnifier in the upper right-hand corner. This will bring up the search box. Next, simply start typing in any search. Note that the Type Ahead function gives you a drop-down list of common terms associated with what you are searching. Typing in ankle, foot presents a list of items from which you can choose leg, ankle, foot. A list of content based on this new search term is now displayed. The search term has delivered content across JBJS, JBJS Essential Surgical Techniques, and JBJS Case Connector. The arrow at the top indicates what kind of content is available for this topic. In this case, there are more than 2,300 articles. Select the right arrow and you will see 117 videos. Select again and you'll see the more than 4,000 images associated with this search. As mentioned earlier, the search results include content from all 6 publications published by JBJS. If you just want to look at results from one journal, in this case Essential Surgical Techniques, simply click the Filter By button. Deselect the boxes for which the other journals. Hit Save. The search results can also be sorted by relevancy, date, and author using the Sort By button. Let's select the first EST article, which is titled Posterior Ankle and Hindfoot Arthroscopy. This launches another window within your browser, which is called the Online Reader. All references and supplemental data, such as figures and tables, contain jump links. To enlarge any of the images, just click once. To restore to normal size, click again. References within the text will take you directly down to that section. To get back to that portion of the article, just press the bold text. The PDF version of the article can be found at the bottom of the references. Selecting the PDF launches another window in your browser. To navigate back to jbjs.org, in this case in Chrome, select the Pages icon in the upper right-hand corner. Depending on how many windows you have open, a number may appear. The number 3 appears on my screen because I have 3 windows open. Either select and/or close all of the windows to navigate back to jbjs.org. To navigate back to the home page, select the JBJS logo at the top of the page. The menu can be accessed in the upper left-hand corner. There are many options to choose from. We hope you've enjoyed watching this video and learning more about the new search functionality of the new JBJS.org website. If you have any comments or feedback, please select the Contact Us feature in the menu bar.